should try to use the dynamic memory allocation also. So that thing also we should take care in our mind while the program when we are going to do. And one more thing also we have seen, instead of all such things, why a compiler has to do this duty, that duty, why it has to take care of the compilation of expressions during the execution. So all instead of all such things, we can directly use the malloc and calloc also. One anybody can ask like that, but there is that much flexibility is not there in using the malloc and calloc also, where whenever we want, where whatever the functions and the variables, we can do it we can do it dynamic, a variable or dynamic functions only during that procedure or that function whenever it is running, that can be made as alive. That is also possible, but every time the programmer has to get into the editor of the whatever the compiler is we are using, get into that editor, go back and do the modification, allocate and free deallocate. That means this is what coming back and going to the execution, running the program. So this exercise it goes. So instead of all such things, it is better very to use the stack type of the memory allocations for the programmer, so that once the stack type of memory allocations are used, because based on the sequence of the program, the stack stores the procedures in LIFO format and starts executing whatever is the activation record is live. So that is all about whatever I have told in the previous compilers, and it is bit quite little bit boring. Why? Because it is all about the theory, and today I was thinking to have some just questionnaires part, and I was been asking you already what is AR, and none of the students were trying to answer. We're not trying to answer, but so that instead of asking questionnaire part, so let us have today the questionnaires in terms of online. So I'll forward here the link. So try to go through that link. Am I audible, Sonia? Anybody? So try to answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Try to answer this, because the fourth chapter, the fourth unit, whatever I'm covering, it's all about the theory. So hardly I'll require another 2 hours. So in the next week I may cover that whenever I get the next class. So before that, let us answer some questionnaire parts. So please answer these. And one more quiz I'll be taking on the same, because it is little bit theoretical, and so let us try to answer the most objective type of the questions. So all can answer. Try to answer these. Just click on the link. Copy the link. Is all the students? Am I audible? Are you observing the link? What I have posted? Yes. Please try to answer. Is all of you are there? Shruti, Shivani, Rituja, Ahilya, Snehal, Akshada, Chaitali, Vivita, Kajal, Saloni, Rasika, Pallavi, Sonia, Pranali, Gauri, Priya, Aparna, Snehal, Sneha, Dipti, Anisha, Monali, Aishwarya, Rasika, Sanika, Bhakti, Preeti, Tajmin, Radhika, Pratik, then Prashant, Pranesh, Madhura, Vaishnavi, Mayuri, Akanksha, Gaurav, Onkar, Rutvij.
जी
Yes, is that screen is audible? Sorry, is that screen is visible? What I have put.
जी मैडम दिख रही है।
Yeah, yeah. Then I'll try to answer this the post what I have posted for the link
हाँ
because
देख पा रहे हैं, कर लेंगे।
because asking individually the questions during the class hour nobody is answering. That's what I just thought of having some questionnaires, question answer sessions so that one can be interactive. Yes. Do you have any doubt? Answering? Aishwarya? Aparna? Prashant? Yogesh is not here today? Yogesh was the regular student. Yogesh, are you there? Yogesh is not here today. Only two responses are there. Please try to give your correct roll number. Today I won't take the attendance. FYU, why you are giving like that? Who has answered FYU? Please try to give the correct roll number and your name. Name and roll number. Don't give any XYZ, any FYU, and don't try to give any wrong name. "24" Akanksha has answered 10 out of 10. Akanksha, very good. Akanksha, are you there? Akanksha, you have 10 out of 10. Good answer. This time I have little bit have twisted, but very good. Do not share your answers. Akanksha, are you there? K. Sirshagar. Akanksha? Akanksha, you have answered so correctly. Akanksha K. Sirsagar. Still, the responses are 5. Uh, is that okay, Sonia? I will take the attendance today from your response. What the response you have given in the answers, so that you please mention the correct roll number and the name. Today I'm going to have the attendance from your the answers. Madhura Bidwe, she also did very good. 8, very good. Almost all the students are doing good. Sonia, yes,
Yeah, okay,
Sonia.
ma'am. Yeah, okay.
Please, I'm declaring now itself. I will take the attendance today from your answers only, so that one can do at least correctly your name, because last time also most of the students have given the name as XYZ. So now also they are doing the same. So I will take the attendance from the response. Only one student has done FYU. So please do write your name correctly, and also the roll call. So I'll note down from your response. If you want to inform your friends so that they can attend this test, because this will be the fourth test, as I have named here as the fourth. This is the fourth test, SP quiz fourth on the chapter 4 compilers. And this is not final. One more I'll be taking. Why? Because this to have just interactive, because the fourth chapter is bit only about the allocation, dynamic memory allocation, and allocation, memory allocation. So it is all about bit the same concept. So to have just the interactive session, I am taking the quiz type question. Also, the link I will post after this class or before at 4 o'clock in SP WhatsApp group. Maybe some students are absent. Yes, I think some of you can inform your friends to join the session so that they can answer. A46, please give your name. But now you can't give, I think, because only one response I have given. Who is A46? Write name and roll number both. Saurabh has given only the name. People are taking time, I think, from somebody. They are answering good, or you are getting somebody's answer. I don't know. Pallavi, good answer. Very good. Dipti, Pallavi, Pratiksha, Gauri, Kulkarni, Tajmin, Manashri.
Hello, hello, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, please answer. Only 40 people are here. Maybe they have answered and gone.
Hello, ma'am. Hello. Hello.
Hello? Okay, I think some of the students have answered and gone. But now I'm feeling it's very difficult to note down from the attendance because some of the students have not written their name, sorry, roll calls. So I'll take the attendance. Wait, Akanksha, Hajare, don't leave. Akanksha? Akanksha? Are you there? One, two,
Present.
three,
Present, ma'am.
four, five,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
six, six, seven,
Present, ma'am.
eight, nine. Because as I'm seeing here, it is a little bit difficult to note down the attendance. 11,
Present, ma'am.
12,
Present, ma'am.
13,
Present, ma'am.
14,
13 present.
14, 15,
Present, ma'am.
16,
Present, ma'am.
17,
Present, ma'am.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19.
Present, ma'am.
Somebody have told here only A, so I am taking attendance. 20,
Present.
21,
Ma'am, she has
20.
left the team.
Okay, I will note it down. 22,
Present.
23,
Present, ma'am.
24,
Present.
25,
Present, ma'am.
26,
Present, ma'am. 26.
27. 27 is not here. 28,
28 present, ma'am.
29,
Yes, ma'am.
30, 31. 31 is also not here. 32, 33,
Present, ma'am.
34,
Present, ma'am.
35, 36,
Present, ma'am.
37. 36 is there. 37, 38, 39, 40,
40 present, ma'am.
41, 42,
Present,
43,
ma'am.
40. Okay. 45,
Present.
46.
44, yes, ma'am.
47,
Yes,
46 present, ma'am.
47 present, ma'am.
then 48,
Present, ma'am.
49,
Present.
50, 51, 52, 53, 54,
Present.
55,
Present.
56,
Present.
57, 58,
Present, ma'am.
59,
Present, ma'am. 59.
60. Okay. 60, 61, 62, 63.
Ma'am, he left just before you take that.
Okay, no problem. I'm seeing here 64. Sorry, yeah, 64.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
65. Onkar is also there, I think.
Present.
66. But Onkar answer didn't come only. 67. 68. Most of the boys have not answered.
68, ma'am.
68.
Present.
69. 70. I'll read out the absentees. 1. I'll read out the absentees. 1.
Ma'am, one is present.
27. Have you answered 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see here. I'm seeing, but I'm not able to get. One, and I didn't get.
मॅम आहे ना, आन्सर दिला आहे.
अभी भेजे नहीं. इधर आंसर ही आया नहीं आपका. 24 है, 10 है, 58 है, 4 है, 12 है.
15
हाँ, 1 शिवानी है क्या? अत्तवाड़ी. अच्छा 1 का है. 27 is absent. 31, 35, 37, 38, 39, 41, 42, 45, 51, 52, 53, 57, 60, 67, 68, 69, 70. इतने
68,
absent.
ma'am.
68 प्रेजेंट है. हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
और आपका कौन कौन 52
52, ma'am.
52 42. हाँ.
42, ma'am.
अच्छा हाँ, करिए 42.
68, ma'am.
68. 68. हाँ, एब्सेंट नहीं, पहले थे, अभी मार्क किया प्रेजेंट.
Okay.
फिर आपका आंसर नहीं आया ना.
11 पे है, मैम.
11 पे. 1 सेकेंड. हाँ है ना. गौरव वगनर.
Yes,
योगेश
ma'am.
आंसर नहीं करे आज. योगेश नहीं आए. प्रशांत का है. ओनकर का आंसर ही नहीं आया. ओनकर छोड़े क्या? आई थिंक ओनकर लेफ्ट द क्लास. प्राणेश का भी नहीं आया. ओनकर का आया अभी. 49 पे है. ओनकर को भी 10 out of 10. वेरी गुड. कोई ये बोला सिर्फ, लेकिन अटेंडेंस लिखा नहीं इधर उनका रोल नंबर. तो ये लास्ट में प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा ना. अभी अब तक 4 क्वेश्चन 4 क्विजेस हो गए, और प्लस वो एक था ना, फर्स्ट वाला यूनिट टेस्ट ली थी मैं क्लास का, उसको तो अभी कंसिडर नहीं करें, क्योंकि सर अभी कुछ भी नहीं बोले यूनिट टेस्ट का. तो अब तक 4 क्विजेस में सभी evaluate होंगे. You should be very careful that you should write correctly your roll number and name. Okay, somebody was asking, can we leave? Okay, those who have answered can leave. And please intimate your friends because I have very few response among 70, only 51 responses I have. Okay, those who have attended the test can leave. Those who have submitted. Okay, those who have answered can leave. Tell. Any doubt?
मॅडम 63 ने टेस्ट दिली पण तो लेट झालाय.
अच्छा. ठीक है. ठीक है.
हेलो मैम.
क्या करना है? ओनकार, व्हाट यू हैव रिटन? कक्षा छोड़ सकते हैं क्या? हाँ, छोड़ो. ओनकार, कक्षा छोड़ो आप. आपका आंसर हुआ ना.
हेलो मैम.
वेरी शुद्ध हिंदी विल बी यूजिंग. ओनकार. हाँ, बोलिए. कौन है आप?
मैम
हाँ.
प्रशांत हूँ.
हाँ, प्रशांत है आप. बोलिए.
हाँ मैम, मैंने पहले बाय मिस्टेक से मैंने सिर्फ 4 क्वेश्चन ही अटेंड किए थे और बाय मिस्टेक मैंने वो सबमिट किया था.
हाँ, कौन सा था आपका? रोल नंबर नहीं है क्या उधर?
58. फिर मैंने किया है वो, फिर एक बार रिस्पॉन्ड किया मैंने. मेरा
लेकिन
डबल
एक बार,
रिस्पॉन्ड.
लेकिन वैसे तो मैंने नहीं दिया डबल रिस्पॉन्स. शायद आप दूसरे सिस्टम से करें, शायद इसलिए आया होगा.
मैंने पहली बार किया तो सिर्फ 4 क्वेश्चन को मैंने किया था अटेम्प्ट और बाय मिस्टेक वो सबमिट हो गया था.
ठीक है. लेकिन दूसरा तो करे ना. फिर उधर नाम
हाँ
और रोल नंबर ठीक से लिखे ना.
58. हाँ 58 लिखा है वो, सबसे नीचे वाला है मैम.
हाँ, ये वाला प्रशांत
हाँ.
जलगिरे. हाँ, आया ना.
हाँ यस.
ठीक
हाँ
है.
आया.
यही कंसिडर करेंगे. 10 आउट
हाँ
ऑफ 10 तो कॉपी कर लिए क्या? लास्ट में सबको पूछे क्या? ओनकार को, किसी को तो.
नहीं सिर्फ एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था मैम.
क्योंकि सभी बॉयज ना बहुत देर से दिया आंसर. फर्स्ट गर्ल ना, आकांक्षा गे, शी गॉट 10 आउट ऑफ 10. आकांक्षा के सिर्फ अगर.
मैं पहले
ओके,
दे रहा
फाइन.
था, 4
हाँ,
देने
हाँ,
के बाद वो हो गया बाय.
ठीक है. ठीक है. थैंक यू ऑल. थैंक यू. हाँ, इफ यू हैव अटेंडेड यू कैन लीव.
हेलो मैम.
हाँ, हो. कौन है?
मैम मैंने टेस्ट नहीं दिया था मैडम ड्यू टू नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम.
विवेक का.
यस मैडम.
अच्छा, ठीक है. आपका रेस्पॉन्स भेज दो. अभी नेटवर्क आया तो भेज दो, कंसिडर कर लेंगे.
बट मैडम मेरे पास लिंक नहीं है ना.
लिंक में और एक बार इसमें डालूं तो चलेगा ना? एसपी वो क्या है व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में.
ठीक है अभी डाल दो मैडम, मैं चेक कर.
हाँ, ठीक है. आई विल सेंड इन व्हाट्सएप.
मैडम ये मार्क कंसीडर करना रहेगा फाइनल.
अभी फाइनल कहाँ? अभी 2 यूनिट है ना. वो
नहीं
लिंकर
मैडम.
है. हाँ, लिंकर है, लोडर है. अभी वो उसका भी टेस्ट रहता है ना. बाद में कंसिडर क्या हायर अप्स क्या बोलते हैं उसके हिसाब से करना है. ये सब तो अभी प्रिजर्व ही है मेरे पास, मेरे ड्राइव में. जो भी आप लोग आंसर्स कर रहे हैं वो सब भी है.
ठीक है.
सब भी मेरे पास रहता डेटाबेस में, ऐसे रहता मेरे ड्राइव पे है. तो लास्ट में वो हायर अप्स जो भी बोलेंगे ना, क्योंकि फिलहाल तो क्लास टेस्ट ही हुआ सबका.
मैडम
हाँ,
टेस्ट नहीं तो फिर एक बार में दे सकता क्या?
हाँ, ठीक है, मैं देखूंगी वो लास्ट में. लेकिन आज का तो कीजिए. पहले भी नहीं दिए क्या आप?
ठीक है मैडम.
आज का तो दीजिए. पहले का नहीं दिया आप?
दिया था, कभी कभी मैंने दिया नहीं.
हाँ, पहले 3 टेस्ट हो गए. क्योंकि 3 चैप्टर्स हो गए ना, उनका 3 टेस्ट हुआ। ये चैप्टर 4th था, ये 4th वाला है अभी कंपाइलर्स का। इससे पहले 3 हुआ, 3 क्विज़ेस हो गए। तो वो सभी क्विज़ेस के लिंक में आपको अगर चाहिए तो एक दिन में सभी देखेंगे, एक दिन खत्म करेंगे सब। सब means I should finish the linker and loader chapters. After that I will decide and I will post you. Okay, you can also
Thank you,
answer
madam.
for you can also answer, but I will ask your CC or somebody HOD or like that and I will tell you.
ओके ओके, नो
बट
प्रॉब्लम।
आज का तो आज को तो आंसर कीजिए।
ठीक है मैडम, देता हूँ।
मैं पोस्ट करूंगी ये लिंक।
ठीक है, थैंक यू मैडम।
ओके।